In today's video, I'll teach you how to remove two-factor authentication on Instagram. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in instagram.com. Press enter, or you can also open the Instagram application if you want. You can see over here Instagram has been opened. If you look at left, you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply click on the three lines that you can see at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now click on this option settings that you can see at top. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access the settings over here. What you have to do is look for this option account center and click on it. Now you'll be led to the account center interface of Instagram. You'll be able to access various options related with your account over here. Click on this option password and security that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see various options over here. Under the section for login and recovery, you'll be able to find this option for two-factor authentication. Click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to choose an account. Simply click on your Instagram account. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the authentication method added to your Instagram account over here. Simply click on the method that you would like to remove. You can see over here, this method for authentication is enabled for me. So if you want to remove it, what you have to do is simply toggle off this option for authentication app. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Click on this option, turn off. Now you can see over here the authentication method will be turned off. So like this, you'll be able to remove it. So that is how you remove two-factor authentication on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.